Welcome to the best picks. The best drywall saw is probably one of the most important tools for DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors alike, enabling clean and precise cuts in drywall for various applications, from installing new drywall to patching holes and creating intricate designs. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right drywall saw for your needs, ensuring you make the best choice for your next project, whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior tackling a home improvement task. Number 5. Goldblatt Folding Saw. This innovative saw is designed for fast and effortless cutting. Its unique features make any cutting job easier and more efficient. It boasts precision triple ground teeth for smooth cuts. The bimetal blade cuts in both directions, saving you time and effort. The anti-slip grip handle ensures comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. It's designed to fit most hands perfectly. A secure locking mechanism prevents accidental blade closure. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. It's perfect for cutting drywall, plywood, plastic, and PVC. Ideal for DIY projects or professional use. Experience the difference with this superior cutting tool. Get yours today. What we like. It boasts a precision triple ground blade for smooth and fast cuts, and its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, reducing fatigue. The secure lock prevents accidental closure, enhancing safety. If you value speed, comfort, and safety in a drywall saw, this is the one for you. What people say. The foldable design is especially handy, allowing you to store it safely in a toolbox or bag without worrying about damaging the blade or accidentally injuring yourself. The saw itself features a sharp, serrated blade that cuts smoothly through drywall, sheetrock, and even some wood, making it versatile enough for multiple uses around the house. The soft grip handle is comfortable to hold, reducing strain on your hand during prolonged use, and provides excellent control over each cut. Number 4. Klein Tools 31737. This innovative folding saw is as sturdy as a fixed-blade jab saw, thanks to its durable carbon steel blade. It's perfect for various cutting tasks. With its triple ground teeth, it cuts quickly and smoothly in both directions, saving you time and effort. The lockback mechanism securely holds it open at 125 or 180 degrees, adapting to your needs. It's incredibly versatile. When folded, it protects your tools and bags from accidental punctures. It's compact and easy to store. The cushioned handle end and non-slip grip ensure comfortable and controlled use. You'll appreciate the ease of handling. It includes a lanyard hole for tethering, adding an extra layer of security. Never worry about losing it again. What we like. This saw features a sturdy carbon steel blade built to last, and its lockback mechanism allows for use at multiple angles. The lanyard hole adds an extra layer of security. If you need a robust saw with versatility and a secure tethering option, this is an excellent choice. What people say. I like the grip, nice and comfortable. I like that it folds, no more poking through my tool bag, and the blade locks into 2 positions, making it even more versatile. The blade is sharp and easily punched through to cut sheetrock. The blade is also stiff, which makes cutting a straight line easy. The handle is comfortable. The weight is right and give a good feel on the handle. I like the folding feature to protect the blade, also anyone accidentally put their hand on the blade in the toolbox. I have a habit of tossing a drywall saw into my tool bag, and finding it the hard way. This saw is quite heavy but rock solid. It doesn't warp and feels great. You can lock it partially open if needed. Works like a gigantic lockback knife. Number 3. IRWIN ProTouch Jab Saw. This saw is built for professionals who demand precision and control. Its unique design makes quick work of even the toughest jobs. It features a thick blade that's exceptionally rigid. This gives you superior control and accuracy when making cuts. The tri-ground teeth are incredibly aggressive, ensuring fast and smooth cuts every time. You'll get the job done quickly and efficiently. The ergonomic handle with a rubberized grip provides comfort and control, even during extended use. It's designed to reduce hand fatigue. It's perfect for a variety of tasks, from drywall roughing to cutting openings for HVAC, plumbing, electrical, or ceiling tiles. It's a must-have for any professional. With its combination of power, precision, and comfort, it's the ideal tool for any professional. Experience the difference today. What we like. It features a thick body blade for exceptional cut control and tri-ground teeth for fast, smooth cutting. The ergonomic handle with rubberized grip ensures comfort and control during use. If you prioritize control and speed in your cuts, this saw is ideal for you. What people say. It worked perfect on cutting a hole in the ceiling in the bathroom without any issues, without the blade bending or breaking. It worked great, very sharp point. Works well. Very sharp and sturdy, as I punched through drywall to begin my cut. The thick body blade provides unparalleled rigidity, giving me precise control over every cut. The tri-ground teeth are impressively aggressive, allowing for the fastest and smoothest cutting experience I've ever encountered. Number 2. IRWIN Drywall Saw. This saw is built for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its rigid blade and comfortable handle make cutting drywall a breeze. The rigid blade gives you total control over your cuts, ensuring accuracy and precision every time. You'll get clean, consistent results. With bi-ground teeth, it slices through drywall quickly and smoothly. Say goodbye to jagged edges and frustrating cuts. The hardwood handle provides a comfortable and balanced grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. It's designed for all-day comfort. It's perfect for a variety of tasks, from roughing in drywall to cutting openings for HVAC, plumbing, electrical, or ceiling tiles. It handles it all. Experience the difference of a superior drywall saw. Choose IRWIN for quality and performance. What we like. This saw offers a rigid blade for solid cut control and bi-ground teeth for fast, smooth cuts. The hardwood handle provides comfort and balance. If you need a reliable saw for basic drywall tasks, this is a great option. What people say. The razor-sharp teeth of the saw effortlessly cut through gypsum board with minimal effort. The aggressive yet precise cutting action ensures clean and accurate cuts, reducing the need for additional finishing work. The ergonomically designed handle is another noteworthy aspect. The comfortable grip allows for extended use without causing hand fatigue. The textured surface provides excellent traction, enhancing control and reducing the risk of slipping during cutting tasks. The hardened and tempered blade ensures longevity, even when tackling demanding drywall projects. Number 1. Goldblatt Drywall Saw. This innovative saw is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Its unique blade and ergonomic handle make cutting a breeze. It features a 6-inch bimetal blade with inverted teeth for increased pulling force and faster cutting. Experience a 50% speed increase compared to traditional saws. The lightweight design and soft grip handle reduce fatigue during extended use. It's built for comfort and control. With precision ground teeth, it cuts cleanly in both push and pull strokes. Deep gullets prevent material buildup for continuous performance. It's perfect for drywall, wallboard, plywood, and more. It's the ideal tool for various cutting needs. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us. Your feedback helps us improve. What we like. This saw's bimetal blade with inverted teeth cuts 50% faster than traditional saws, and its ergonomic handle minimizes fatigue. The durable blade ensures long-lasting performance. If you need a fast, comfortable, and long-lasting drywall saw, consider this one. What people say. Nice heavy handle, good blade, cuts nice. This is the only pad saw I will buy. It beats the likes of IRWIN and Stanley ECT. Coupe très bien, bonne finition, très bonne prise en main, mais surtout le manche est très agréable en main, vraiment étudié pour de longue utilisation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.